This ain't no Hollywood. It's mother love in Jamaica. Be clever. This ain't no
Your attention
television.
is required.
I'm not a Humpty nor no Dumpty who sat up on a wall with no way to put my rumpet. And we get real life.
Okay, so I get this television here to work on. I forgot to do my recordings. It's a LG television. It's the model number is right there. So, okay, here we got it right here. Okay, so firstly, when we got it, it has a short in it. We went around with. Normally, we replace the board by trying to get one off eBay or Amazon and do one of those comprehensive replacement. In this case, it's a job that came in and for express work. Express, I mean, we stay on it until it's finished, till we find the problem. Now we have to check each one of these on the board, these little things, these little surface mount. They're very tiny, you know. To go around, take them off the board and check them. Here's there's a fuse right here. Gotta check that too. You know, the capacitors, you know, and so on. So yeah, after going through and check, we realize that we have a short capacitor that comes from here. So this cap and that cap, so we have to replace. We also had to replace these caps right here. We had to replace these caps. And so I'm a cap short right now. I need a cap for here, so I'm gonna go look for that and see if I can find the value of that cap, and then we can check the board again to see if we have a fix. Now first thing we had was to take apart the power supply to make sure that we're getting current on the main outlet there from the input, the output. Make sure that we're getting current there, because some of the time it's best to do it this way, because if you do it, if you check just the wire, maybe the wire have a burst or, you know, and somewhere on there, so you need to pull it off and give it a check. Here, this is a LG AC adapter. So simple fit up, we can fit that up back. Nothing was wrong with that, but it was a part of the program. We had to check it too. Here at Studio 99 H.R.S.Production, we try to not to rig up or bitch up something, but to give it back that factory fix as new as possible when it leaves. the shop. So we're gonna look for now a cap. This cap, and then we'll see. Okay, pokey. So there. Together. So as I said here at Studio 99, we try to give you a fix that more bring your equipment or your appliance back to full new brand state. It's not to put stuff in the television that does not belong there, like you may use 2 parts to make a value or stuff like that. No, we find the right value and replace the part, replace the exact part, right? So okay, so let's test this thing, this baby right now, see what's happening. Let's test this baby now. Power cord. Plug this baby in. I'm looking for lights. We'll get lights. And let's okay, so that's the telly right there.
Was a ball, the man was taken by soldiers. Those that great the big star, Mr. Garvey start craft. Now them stop Martin Luther King after. Mr. Marley fall down and the broke his bone. Now the whole thing becomes a disaster.
Hey brother, no fiction, no fiction.
Your little sister end up as gangster ride. When reality take a big bite.